Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the recycle bin not working issue in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. Sometimes the recycle bin in Windows 11 can exhibit strange behavior, failing to function as expected. If you are encountering this problem, there is a straightforward solution you can try. First, locate the recycle bin icon on your desktop. Right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, choose Properties. In the Recycle Bin Properties window, navigate to the Global tab. You will see an option for maximum size. Select the Custom Size Radio button, and then increase its size. A recommended value to try is 550,000 MB. After entering the new size, click on the Apply button, and then on OK to confirm the changes. By increasing the custom size of the recycle bin, you are essentially allocating more space for it, which should resolve the issue of it not accepting files and allow it to function correctly once more. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.